for today or tonight, okay, I'll be doing the tactile Fremitus examination, a simple one, and a posterior chest auscultation. For example, you're living alone or you're living in a dorm without dorm mates, and then your doctor requested you to make a video. So, what's my advice? So my advice is you can have, if you have a stuffed toy, and then you will ask to do some PE like that. So you can use your stuffed toy, and then you can print on the paper some photos, like for example for the back of a person. So you can print some mga photos, marami sa Google, and then you can place it on the back sa stuff to nyo, and then you can do that one. Or if mas better, if my dormmate kayo and then hindi siya busy, you can ask for help. So for my small demo for tonight is my friend here. See? So I printed a sample kasi wala akong dormmate. So this one. So you can make use ng ganito. So it's kind of helpful also. The tactile Fremitus is it refers to the palpable vibration na ma-feel natin every time we place our hand sa likod ng patient natin. So that will result from any transmission ng mga sound vibration through sa lung tissue going to the chest wall. So for the tactile Fremitus examination, you can use the ball part of your hand or the ulnar side ng hand mo. So if you will place that on the patient back, parang nakaganyan siya. Example, this is the back. Ganyan. So nakaganyan siya. Okay, hindi siya naka-spread, parang ganyan. Okay, so you can nakaganyan siya. Ganyan. Feel mo siya. Feel, pababa. And then, for the ulnar, you can use this one, diba? This one, ganyan. Okay? So, every time na you do this, mga test is you can ask for your patient to say 99. So, pag ganyan mo, sir, can you say 99? Okay, 99. So, ulit, anong i-check mo? Vibration. Okay, vibration. Since dalawa yung gagamitin mo, so you differentiate. Kung parang pareho ba sila ng vibration or may differences ba? So, ganun. Rotation naman sa posterior chest ng patient natin is you will use the diaphragm of your stethoscope. Okay? And then, sa auscultation, important siya to assess airflow. Okay? To assess airflow. So, you will listen the sounds na i-generate ng patient natin every time mag-breathe siya or she or he will say something. So, you will listen those stuff. Tapos, you should know also the normal sound, okay? So, if may marinig ka na different sound, so you assess what it is, okay? So, also for the auscultation is, you will place the diaphragm directly sa skin ng patient natin. So, if ever may damit kasi siya, it can cause any or it can introduce friction and pwedeng maka-add siya ng sound, and it can maiba yung parang yung result sa pag-auscultate mo. So also for the auscultation is you ask your patient to inhale and exhale, full breath yan siya. So ask your patient na, sir, can you inhale and exhale full breath? So, pag ganyan, check mo agad. Follow mo lang. Also, for the auscultation sa posterior chest, you do the ladder pattern. So, pababa siya. So, parang pag ganyan siya. Pag ganyan. Okay? So, you can check that, the ladder pattern, para may guide. Fremitus examination. So, here's my friend here. Again. Okay. So, we will do now the tactile fremitus examination. So, I will use first the ball part ng hand ko. So, you ask your patient to say 99. Okay? Sir, can you say 99? Every time I place my hand and then pababa ako, okay, you say 99. Okay? So, since wala akong kasama, I'll be doing or saying the 99 itself. Okay? Okay. So, start na po tayo. So, 99. Okay, we're going down. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99. Okay. Auscultation ng posterior chest ng patient natin is we'll use again na we'll use the diaphragm and we will follow the ladder pattern and ask your patient again to have this full breath every time na mag-auscultate. Okay. Sir, can you inhale and exhale po tayo every time mag-place ako ng step. Full breath lang po tayo, sir, ha? Okay. Start po tayo. Inhale. Exhale. 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 That's all for tonight, fellas. So we're done with the tactile fremitus and auscultation of the posterior chest. See you next time.